guys, happy Wednesday. Today's Wednesday and we're starting the weekly vlog, which is a little bit weird because normally I would have started it yesterday, but we started it today. I got my little water. This is the cup Babe brought me for one of her work events. So yeah, I'm just now using it for the first day because I was so thirsty in the house, so I wanted to bring me some water. Sad because I don't have no coffee this morning because I don't have any creamer that can really go, and the creamer at work with that iced coffee just it don't be hitting. But yeah, y'all, that's it. We're heading to work. Today's Wednesday, like I said. This is the start of the weekly vlog. Guys, happy Thursday. It literally feels like it's supposed to be Friday today. Like, I don't know why, but it just does. Probably because I just want it to be. But dang, it never has to be on them like that. That police officer, he was just flying, and then it looked like he ain't gonna pull him over though, unless he just waiting for him to do something. But anyways, y'all, so we are on our way to work today. We get off at 1 o'clock, so that's kind of exciting. But the only annoying thing is today, let me know in the comments down below if you guys hate like that period of time when you're moving, because we're moving this month, so, or at the end of this month our lease is up, because what is it, September 2nd? And our landlord texted us, what was it, yesterday or the day before yesterday, and was like, hey, he's gonna be having showings Thursday, which is today, and Saturday, during like these 2-hour times. Like, dude, it's not an open house. Like, it's just so annoying. It makes me think about when we moved out of our apartment. They did do 2 showings, and one we actually had notice for, and one the lady just showed up for, so that's so annoying. He almost added one yesterday, but then he was like, okay, I don't want to inconvenience you guys too much, and he let it be. But yeah, it's pretty annoying, because like, who wants to be in the house while y'all there for 2 hours? But then I'm just like, maybe I should be. I don't know, y'all. We'll see. We might do a little bonfire in the backyard while they're doing these showings or whatever. But yeah, we're heading to work. I still don't have no cream, but I got me some of my iced coffee. I'm gonna mix it with some cream and stuff at work. Just make something happen.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. It is Friday. It's not payday Friday, but it's for me anyway. So if it is for y'all, happy payday Friday. So y'all, we at the gas station, and I forgot I had to get gas this morning, but I did end up, it kind of worked out because it's cold and rainy, y'all. Like, September 1st said, okay, yeah, it's automatically cold. Like, it's already cold here. It's ridiculous. But I don't have no cream still. I still have not gone to the store and got any, so I just got a, what do you call this? French vanilla cappuccino from FA. But it'd be like super duper hot, so I ain't even gonna try to drink that right now and then be mad because I'm so scared. I should just cut right here, but I'm still gonna just go around. How annoying. But yeah, y'all don't be playing with these traffic laws, Lord. Sometimes I do though. I ain't even gonna like lie, but most of the time I be like, let me just go ahead. See, God rewarded me with the green light. But anyway, y'all, so yeah, I got that coffee because it's cold. So it ended up working out pretty good. Pretty dark though, so I'll see you guys at work. I'm working 2nd floor again, but the opposite side, and I get off at my normal time. So it's gonna be a normal little Friday in the neighborhood, y'all.
I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way.
So it is later on Friday, and I didn't really vlog much at work because it was a super boring day. Not much going on, so I didn't want to get the same type of footage, you know, that I normally get. So I'm like, I didn't even vlog. But as you guys can see, I just got done cleaning out my hookah. I needed to change the water. And actually, I don't know, when I was reading the reviews on Amazon, people were saying that it's hard to clean, but it was actually super hard to clean. I mean, easy to clean. I just poured the water out and then put new water in, because it really wasn't even that dirty. It was just like some little, I don't know, like specks in the water, so the water just needed to be changed. So I don't know, yeah, that's why you just gotta sometimes try things out, because reviews will send you like, how is that hard to clean? Unless they just waited like way too long and it was just like outrageously dirty, because we haven't had it that long, but I have been using it a lot lately. So I'm like, let me go ahead and clean it out, especially since we used the other hookah, or I got my new hookah. So yeah, y'all, that's it. We're not really about to do anything now that that's clean. Excuse me. Now that that's clean, I'm about to go take my shower, put my pajamas on. We're not doing anything tonight. Me and babe don't have plans. She's on her way home from work, so we're probably just about to watch TV. We're actually probably about to watch Clickbait. You guys, are you guys watching? I'm sure that you guys have heard somebody on your Facebook talking about Clickbait. So yesterday we started Clickbait, and I was super duper 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 tired. And I'm telling you guys, that hookah with the CBD in it had me so relaxed. I fell asleep, but it was actually a really good show. Like, it's really good. So if you guys haven't seen Clickbait on Netflix, go ahead and watch it. I don't even know where to say that it's about, but I'm not even going to comment because we didn't finish. I think we only got to the 3rd episode, which is called The Mistress. So yeah, each episode has like a different title, y'all. But yeah, so I think we're going to go ahead and finish watching that tonight, probably just chill. I kind of just want something cozy. It's cold and rainy. Like I said, it's literally 60 degrees out. Fall said hello and we're here to stay. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. This weekend, we're going to the fair Sunday. I can't wait. I do work this weekend, but I get off at 1 o'clock Sunday, so that's good. It kind of worked out. And we're going to the Minnesota State Fair, so I cannot wait. They didn't have it last year, and we were supposed to go last weekend, the day after my birthday, but we didn't go. So I'm just super excited because the last day is literally Labor Day, so I can't wait to get me some good food. I actually need to go ahead and see if I can order our tickets online real quick. Buy our tickets online real quick, because you can save $3. So yeah, I'm all about saving my little coins, honey. But yeah, I'm just gonna take this uniform off, take my shower, put my pajamas on, and wait for baby to get back. We're probably gonna finish watching Clickbait. But yeah, y'all, if y'all ain't watching it, watch it. And if you have watched it, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, because I'm sure I'll be done with it by the time this vlog goes up, and I'm probably gonna check in with y'all. But just wanted to check in. I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. I completely forgot to show my new laptop case in my birthday haul, but this was also one of my birthday gifts babe got me, and I'm obsessed with it. That's why I forgot to show you guys, because it's been on since I got it. But oh, look at us, absolutely obsessed. And then it comes with this too. Like, that's just so bomb. Like, I love it. And it's rose gold, but it looks pink, so I love that. Yeah, bomb.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Just sit right next to you. You
just found at the thrift store. That is, what is that, a Canon auto zoom, whatever that is.
Right.
And look at this one with that thing on there. I want it. But we ain't gonna be able to find nothing that works
no,
with that.
Seriously, ever.
Just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 I wanna deep, 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 and rock right up to the